So let's start today with the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Before talking about it, as I told you yesterday, the Pythagorean theorem is only for the right triangle. Pythagorean theorem, right triangle. Pythagorean theorem, right triangle. In this lesson, or in this property here, we are talking about the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. If a triangle has sides of length A, B, and C, if I have this triangle here, A, B, and C, and if I squared A and squared B and add them to each other, and they are equal to C squared, that means the triangle is right triangle with hypotenuse of length C. This is the meaning of the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Yesterday, I told you that if you have right triangle with A, B, and C, I will say that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. This is yesterday. Today, they told me that if you find, so if I have right triangle, I can use the Pythagorean theorem. Today now, they told me that if you take, or if you use the Pythagorean theorem, if you see that A squared plus B squared equals, or is equal to C squared, if you see that this is working, that means you are talking about right triangle. So I will use the Pythagorean theorem to determine that this is a right triangle or no. Okay?
Miss, I didn't understand that.
Okay. I will repeat now. Yesterday we said that if we have right triangle, okay, and I want to solve the right triangle, I will use the Pythagorean theorem. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
See now, if I see that if I have any triangle, this one, but I don't know if it's right or not, and they give me that this is 7, this is 9, and this is 16 as an example, and they ask me, is this a right triangle? So how can I know if it's right or not? I will use the Pythagorean theorem. I will see 9 squared plus 7 squared. Is it equal to 16 squared? So they give me the length of triangle and they ask me if they are right or no. How can I know? I use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. That I will use the Pythagorean theorem, which is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. If A squared plus B squared are equal to 16 squared, that means they are right, or the triangle is right. If it is not, the triangle is not right triangle. Let's see here. 9 squared is 81. 7 squared, 49. 16 squared, 256. Let's add them now. 9 plus 1, 10. 4 plus 8, 12. 130. Is 130 equals 256? Are they equal?
No.
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 Since they are not equal, I will say that this is not right triangle. Is it clear now?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
I will use the converse to know whether the triangle is right triangle
or no.
or
Yes.
Okay.
Since they are not
Thank you,
equal,
Miss.
so yeah, welcome. Since they are not equal, so the length of the given length for this triangle is not for right triangle. Maybe it is for obtuse or for acute triangle.
Okay, teacher.
So we can use the Pythagorean theorem and its converse to determine whether a triangle is right. If the side length satisfy the equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then the triangle is right. If it is not, this is not a right triangle, as we see here. Let's have now another example. Which set of length could be side length of a right triangle? Let's start with A. 6 inches, 24 inches, and 25 inches. Now, don't forget, where's the highest or the greatest number? Is it 6 or 24 or 25?
25.
25. So this will be the hypotenuse. This will be C. Because I told you the hypotenuse is the longest side. So I will square the 6 and the 24 to see that if they are equal 25 or no. So 6, so this, if 25 is C, that's mean this is A and this is B. Is it clear? How can I know which is A, B, and C?
Yes.
Then 6
You
squared.
can?
Yes.
We can't say that 6 is B.
Oh, yes, you can.
We can?
Yes, yes. You can say 6 is B and 24 is A. But the most important to tell me where is C. If C is correct, the other will be correct.
Okay.
Okay. So
Miss?
6 squared. Yes.
How we know the number C?
Which is greater, 6 or 24 or 25?
25.
25. The greater one is C.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Miss.
You are welcome. So 6 squared plus 24 squared, is it equal 25 squared? Let's see. 6 squared
36.
36 and 24 squared 576. Are they equal to 25 squared, which is 625? Let's add them. 6 plus 6, 12. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 1, 11. So is 612 equals 625? Are they equal?
No.
612
They're not
equals
equal.
625? No. So, no. So what does it mean? Is this a right triangle?
No, it's not a right angle.
No, it's not. So I will say here, no, it is not right triangle. Now, let's do B. And B here, 4 meter, 8 meter, and 10 meter. The first step, Huda, which is greater, 4, 8, or 10?
10.
10. So since 10 is greater, so 10 is C. And the other will be A or B. Let's choose this is
And
B
one.
and this is A as an example. It doesn't matter which A and which B. But it's not,
Okay.
it's matter which is C. So I want to see now if 4 squared plus 8 squared, are they equals to 10 squared? 4 squared is what?
16.
16. And 8 squared?
64.
64.
64.
Are they equal to 100? Let's see. 6 plus 4?
10.
10.
10.
6 plus 1? 7 plus 1? 8.
8.
So is the 80 equals 100?
No.
No.
No. So is
It's
this
not.
right triangle?
No. It's not.
No, it's not right triangle.
Teacher, when it can be right triangle?
If this number equals this number.
Oh, okay.
Inshallah, C or D will be right. You will see here how. Let's do now
Okay.
C. Ten, 24, and 26. Which is greater?
26.
26. So this is C. And this is A, and this is B. So now let's see if A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Where is A? We say it is 10 squared plus 24 squared. Are they equal to 26 squared? Let's see. 10 squared is 100.
100.
And 24 squared, 576. Are they equal to 26 squared? Let's come here. I will continue here, okay? 100 plus 576. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 0, 7.
7.
And 5 plus 1,
6.
6.
6.
Are they equal to 676?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
a right. It's a
So I will
right
say
angle.
yes, this is a right
Right angle.
triangle.
Triangle.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now let's see D. Eight, 15, and 16. Which is greater?
16.
16. So this is C. So 8 squared plus 15 squared. Are they equal to 16 squared? Let's see. 8 squared, 64. 15 squared, 225. Are they equal to 16 squared, which is 256? Let's see. 5 plus 4,
9.
9. 2 plus 6,
8.
and 2 here. Is 228 equals to 256?
No.
No.
No. So this is not right triangle. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Now, let's solve this one here. Could the length 20, 47, and 52 be the side length of the right triangle? Explain. Let's see. Here I have 20. 47, and 52. Where is the 52? Is it a hypotenuse or a leg?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Well, this is the greater
52
number.
hypotenuse.
And this is 20, and this is 47. The greater number is the hypotenuse. Now I will see that, or I will check if 20 squared plus 47 squared, are they equal to 52 squared? 20 squared is 400, and 47 squared, 2209, and 52 squared is 2704. Let's add them to see that if the summation of these two numbers are equal to 2704. Let's see. 9 plus 0. How I can know this? I will add them. Is it right?
Yes.
Yeah. 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 0,
9.
0.
0.
2 plus 4,
Plus 6.
and 4. So is 2609 equals 2704?
No.
No. So this will be not. So this is not right triangle. Is it clear?
Yes. So this is not right triangle.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, let's go to page number 600. Wait, did it see? 617. I will solve now number 22. And then number 29. Oh, yeah. Let's solve now number 22. A construction worker is cutting along the diagonal of a rectangular board 15 feet and 8 feet long. Sorry, 15 long and 8 wide. What will be the length of the cut? So here we have rectangular board. With 15 long and 8 feet wide. The construction worker is cutting along the diagonal. Where is the diagonal of the rectangle? Can you tell me? Can you guess where the diagonal?
Yes, and
Teacher's diagonal, it's like not a straight line, the opposite of straight line.
in the middle between 8 and 15.
Here.
Yes.
This is the diagonal. The red one is the diagonal. He asked me now, what is the length of the cut? What is the length of the diagonal? What I have to do?
8 and
Before that, I will ask myself, is this a right triangle? Before I use a Pythagorean, I will ask myself, is it right or no? Is it right?
Yes.
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 Why
Yes.
yes?
We must, teacher, find use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem.
No, but I don't know. I don't have 3 sides. I have only 2 sides. I cannot use the converse. How can I know it is, how can I know that if it is right or no?
It have a right
Square.
Sorry?
has a
Teacher,
right angle.
because the rectangle have 4 right angles.
Thank you so much, Ronim. Because the rectangle have 4 right angles. So here, Ranim, remind me that you have a +1 mark. They have 4 right angles. This is the the rectangular. So for sure, this will be right triangle. And this will be C. So I will go now to use the Pythagorean theorem. So I will say 8 squared plus 15 squared equals, is equal to C squared. This is the Pythagorean theorem. Now 8 squared, 64. 15 squared, 225 equals C squared. Let's add them now. 289 is C squared. How can I find C?
Square root.
Under square root, yeah. So C will be the square root of 289, which is 17 feet. So the length of the diagonal, the length of the hypotenuse, or the length of the cut will be 17 feet. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
No. Before solving this question, I will give you numbers, 3 numbers, and I want you to tell me which set of the length could be the side length of the right triangle. Okay? I will give you now. I want you to work it now, and tell me which is the first or the second one is right triangle. The first one, 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 17 centimeter. This is the first one. And the second one, it is 9 meter, 40 meter, and 41 meter. I want to tell me the blue or the yellow dimensions will be the right. Yalla, I will give you 5 minutes.
Teacher, I'm done.
Which one is the right?
The second one.
Yeah, it's waiting the others. So they see that, they told me
Yeah,
that
teacher,
this is the right.
How
Yes,
teacher?
miss.
There is 8 and 5 and 11. The legs are 8 and 5. And they're asking for the hypotenuse.
No, don't look at 29. Don't look at 29. Look at here. 29, I will solve it later.
Teacher, I'm done. It's the second one.
Yes, miss.
Yes, teacher. Wait.
Okay, teacher. 23. Okay.
Show the blue and the yellow fonts here. Who, Basma or Basmala told me? The first one.
Me, teacher.
Basmala.
Basma, okay.
Basmala.
Solve
Basmala.
it.
Basmala, teacher.
Who also solve it?
Me, teacher.
Sarah?
Teacher, me too.
Who also?
Me.
Me, number
Yeah.
2.
Also me, teacher.
The others, did you work? Did you work? Are you working? Did you know which is
Teacher, I am still working.
I'm saying
Me
that.
too,
I'm
teacher.
I'm waiting you. I'm waiting.
Me too, teacher. I'm
Miss,
still working.
I choose number 2.
Teacher,
I
Miss,
choose
I'm
number
still
2.
working.
Teacher,
Yes, Jenna.
I'm done, and it came for me number 2.
Me too, Miss.
Teacher, me too.
It's the second one, teacher.
The second one.
Okay.
Teacher, I did it too, and number 2 is the correct one.
Okay.
Teacher,
ma'am.
I'm solving it still.
Okay. While Farah is solving, I want Huda. Yes, Huda. Let's solve number 1. 5, 12, and 17.
Okay. 17 is the C,
Yes, thank you.
5A, and 12B.
So 5 squared, exactly, plus 12 squared equals what?
17
17
squared.
squared. 5 squared is what?
25.
25. Bravo. 12 squared. Yes, Huda.
Yeah, and 12 is 144.
Yeah. 17 squared.
17.
Did you solve it?
Yeah, I solve it.
No, give me the numbers.
Okay. It's 59.
200.
Teacher, I
Yes.
solve it.
But let's give me 59.
No, miss. How is 17 and 49? 17 squared. Let's add them now.
Oh, yeah.
177 and 179. Are they equal to 189?
No.
No.
Teacher, I solve it.
Thank you, Farah. Now, Yara. Where's Yara?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Yara. I want you to help me to solve 2. The second one.
Okay.
Yalla, which is C? 9 or 40 or 41?
41.
41. Thank you.
41.
So, yalla. 9 squared.
9 squared plus 40 squared equal 41 squared.
Thank you. 9 squared is 81. Oh, I have 40 squared.
1,600.
Thank you. Equals 41 squared.
1,681.
Thank you, Yara. Yara solve it, but Huda no. Huda didn't know the numbers.
No, miss, I swear I solved it, but I forget that I solved it when I answered with you, I swear.
Yalla, Yara, continue. 1 plus 0, 1. 8 plus 0, 8. 61. Are they equals to 1681?
Yes.
Yes, so this is right. Triangle. Thank you, Yara. Now let's solve number 29.
Miss?
as you see, we have a swimmer asks a question to lifeguard sitting on a tall chair. So this is the lifeguard, and this is a swimmer. The swimmer asks the lifeguard. The swimmer needs to be close to the lifeguard to hear the answer. What is the distance between the swimmer head and the lifeguard's head? Between the swimmer's head and the lifeguard head. I need to find this distance here. How can I find it?
Eleven to the power squared plus 5 squared.
First, you will use the Pythagorean theorem, because here, as you see, we have a right triangle. Okay? Now,
Yes.
so look at this right triangle here. I will write it, I draw it here now. This is C, I want to find it. And this is 8. And I need to find the length of the other leg. How? Here, the length from the foot of the swimmer to the hair head is 5. And from the ground to the head of the lifeguard is 11. I want the distance, I want this distance here.
It will be 6, teacher.
The distance from the head of the lifeguard to the head of the swimmer. It will be 6. Thank you. How did you know it is 6?
Subtract 11 by 5.
Thank you, Jenna. 11 minus 5 is 6. I'll repeat it here. How? If you know that, you have this segment. And I tell you that the length of this red segment is 20. And the length of the blue one is 17. What will be the length of the green one? How did you find the length of the green?
20 minus 17.
20 minus 17, which is 3. So 3 plus 17 equals 20. Here also we have the same. Here also, they told me that the length is 11. The length from the here, from the ground to the head here is 5. And I need to find from here to here. How? 11 minus what?
11 minus 5.
Equals 6. Exactly.
Equals 6.
Is it clear from where I bring the 6?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I want to solve it. I want to find the length from the head of the swimmer to the head of the lifeguard by using the Pythagorean theorem. I will say 8 squared plus 6 squared equals what?
C squared.
64 plus
C squared.
6 squared, exactly.
6 squared.
8 squared is 64.
64.
6 squared,
36.
36 equals C squared. 4 plus 6 is 10. 3
10.
plus 6, 9 plus 1,
100.
10. So C squared
100.
is 100. So how can I find C now? Under
by square
Square
root.
root.
Square root.
Yes. So C will be
10.
False.
10.
10 feet. So the length from the head of the swimmer to the head of the lifeguard will be 10 feet. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.